Hello everyone and welcome to the video of Marg ERP, in which our today's topic is that how we can change the color of the ledger in Marg ERP software. Before seeing its process in the software, let's discuss what is the benefit of changing the color of the ledger. For example, like there are few of our customers who does the payment on time, while few of our customers are like who delays in giving the payment, or we have to again and again give them payment reminders. So you can color-wise categorize these types of ledgers. And in the same way, suppose you provide discount and scheme to some of your customers, then you can also color-wise categorize those ledgers. You can do this while creating a new ledger, and you can also manage or change the status of those ledgers which are already being created in the software as per your requirement. So in this video, let us see the process of how we can color-wise categorize those ledgers which are already being created, for which we will go to Books menu and then come to All Ledgers from here. So a ledger accounts window will get open, in which all the ledger of the customers will get displayed to you which you have created in the software. Now you can switch to that party or customer's ledger by pressing F3 key on it of whose ledger you want to change the color. Then this small window of the selected ledger will get open in front of you, and we will click on the ledger detail from here. Then a modify ledger window of the selected party will get open. Now you will simply click on modify button and you will come to this color field. Now from the drop down of color field, you will select the color for this selected party as per the requirement, like red, blue, green, purple. For example, this party or customer gives me the payment on time, and we have to indicate those customers in green color who gives the payment on time. So we will set green from the drop down of color field, and by pressing Ctrl W key, we will save the changes. So now you can see that the selected customer's ledger is showing in green color. So in this way, you will set the ledger of those parties or customers in green color who will give you the payment on time. And in the same way, suppose we want to select red color for the ledger of those customers to whom we have to give them reminders again and again for the payment. So by following the same process, we will one by one select the red color in color field of those customers or parties who don't give the payment on time, or for whom we have to give them reminders again and again for giving the payment. After this, we will press Ctrl W key to save the changes. Similarly, you can also set the color for those customers or parties to whom you provide any discount or scheme as per your requirement. So friends, by following the simple process shown in this video, you can also color-wise categorize the ledger of your customers or parties as per your requirement. Thank you.
Subscribe to Marg Tutorial YouTube channel and press this bell icon so you can stay updated with latest videos.